Welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that users might encounter when dealing with decimal symbols in different regional settings. The problem at hand involves how the decimal symbol in Persian, Iran regional setting defaults to, causing unexpected behavior in Excel. In the solution provided, it is mentioned that the behavior observed is actually expected, and users can verify the decimal symbol in their regional settings through the control panel. Changing the option to use custom separators instead of the system setting can help eliminate the issues faced when entering numerical values in Excel. By adjusting the decimal thousand separators to a desired pair, such as dot and comma, users can ensure that numbers are stored correctly regardless of the separators chosen. In summary, understanding and managing regional settings and custom separators in Excel can greatly impact how numerical values are input and calculated. By following the steps outlined in the solution, users can navigate around the issues related to decimal symbols effectively. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.